Hi parents, a very happy Parents' Day. I hope you all are keeping yourself safe and sound in this COVID-19. Parents, today the topic which I want to discuss with you all is about the comparison. We always keep comparison or comparing the things with one or the other. And similarly, in this habit of comparison, we start comparing our kids as well. That boy has secured so many marks, why you have not done that? That girl, she's got the first position in the competition, why you have not won the competition? I know I've discussed before also, but here which I want to discuss with you is all about that how we are comparing our dreams with their dreams. Somewhere maybe long back I decided to be a doctor, but I was not able to pursue my career as a doctor. And now if I am expecting the same career from my child, is it good? Is it justified that I should do this? I was not able to be a doctor, so now my child has to fulfill my dreams. But unknowingly we do that. We compare these things that I have not done that or you have done. Or I was not able to do it, so you do it. Does it really make sound? Is it really fruitful? No, I don't think so. Then comes for the parents, those who are so self-made. मेरे टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं था, वैसा नहीं था. We were not so being facilitated with the things. So, but still I'm standing. I've took my stand. So why you can't do that? You should do it. And if the children, they are coming up with something very creative, they want to, they're saying, I don't want to be a doctor, I don't want to be an engineer, I just want to go for some humanity cause career choices, or we can say that I want to be a blogger or the YouTuber. So we just go and kill their creativity and force them to go and choose the science and all that. Please stop yourself here. Still, there's a lot of time to discuss and to think about the career. But at this time, let them live and let them explore themselves with the creativity, which is the most important thing. So please don't impose off your choices, your likings, that you have to do this, you should not do that. Let them do and explore themselves. When the time comes, their career will also be decided, but not now. Please think about it.